Welcome back. Our next program is focused on frequency analysis, counting how many times each character appears in a given string. This task is suited for using a dictionary, where each unique character will be a key, and its count will be the value. 1. Initialization with the dictionary. We start with our input string. There's a way to track counts, which is by initializing an empty dictionary. This dictionary, char_counts, will map characters to their numerical frequencies. 2. Iteration and counting logic. We loop through every character in the input string. For each character, we use the dictionary's get method. About this method, it safely retrieves the current count, and if the character is not found, it conveniently returns 0. We then add 1 to this value and update the dictionary. 3. Result and analysis. After the loop completes, the dictionary contains the final frequency of every character. Notice how the dictionary automatically handles case sensitivity. For example, a lowercase s is treated separately from an uppercase s unless you convert the entire string to one case first. To summarize, character counting is a skill for text analysis, and the dictionary get method is a readable way to implement this frequency counting logic in Python. Our next lecture 10:07. Print right-angled triangle. See you there.